Hi, so my name's Roger Whitholm, and I'm one of the mentors here. I work for IBM on my day job, and nights and weekends here during robotics season. So I've been with the program, this will be my 10th season, and I've had kids go through it, and now all my kids are in school or actually working, being productive citizens now. So yeah, this is the main area. So we've moved from being in a closet a few years ago to where the principal was actually able to acquire this room for us. We've acquired equipment through, various means from other schools where it wasn't being used, and everything from a CNC mill to a CNC router that we've gotten working. They've got a little CNC lathe. We've got hand tools of all sorts, so everything from sheet metal to woodworking, and so you name it, we pretty much have it.
All right, my name is David Black. I am the engineering instructor here at Clark Magnet High School, and behind me this is our Haas mini mill, computer numerically controlled vertical machining center. So this is where we do a majority of our robot parts out of 6061 aluminum to very high tolerances, and we can machine with a very high production rate, all fully automated control. So from CAD to CAM to finished part in a very quick cycle.
Okay, and you have how many tools?
So this
like
machine
a dozen?
has a 10 tool changer,
Okay.
and a 6,000 RPM spindle with a high flow plug tool. Several parts we've produced recently, such as a gearbox plate out of 1/4 inch thick aluminum. So this pattern was designed all by the students for a 3 motor mounting configuration, and in the finished form this will be a 2-speed pneumatic shifting gearbox for our first competition robot.
Okay. Well, over here we have the CAD work. It's like the CAD station where we do all the CAD work we have. We usually use like Autodesk Inventor, and we also this year started using a Vault server, where we actually are able to sync a lot of our save files and everything between people much more easily. There's like a check-in system to where we know exactly who has a file on a given part in CAD, so that way people aren't accidentally sort of having a bunch of CAD files open and changing them without anyone knowing. Last year there was a little bit of a problem about that and random file names, but we've actually completely boiled that down this year. This is a program called 3ds Max. It's not necessarily CAD, but it's actually pretty good for showing animations of different things. So for example, when we actually finished a CAD model, we're bringing it into 3ds Max and making it look a lot nicer. Yeah. With lots of different rendering techniques and such to make it actually look more like a realistic robot, as opposed to the CAD's, fairly simplistic viewport display.
So this is
Stepan, Alexander, Daniel, Dylan.
And what are you guys doing?
So we're all working on different things right now, actually. Programming team is sort of the R&D team while the robot isn't done, so we just try new things. So Stepan.
I'm doing LabVIEW autonomous mode.
Okay.
Yes. I'm testing netcode that I'm writing for sort of virtual reality control. You've heard of the Oculus Rift?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're trying to get it so that we have 2 cameras on servos that we could use to control the robot. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I'm reprogramming the robot from 2 years ago, QHR.
That was, what did that one do?
Basketball.
The basketball shooting one,
The
okay.
one you guys saw outside.
Okay, and
I'm converting our old website to use Bootstrap.
I'm Joshua Valerio, and I'm on Team 696 as the mech team leader. And this is our CNC router. We have a computer here that controls the router, and we put a program into it to cut out custom pieces in sheet metal or in large pieces of wood. And last year we used this a lot for prototyping, and now we're able to have much more accurate milling for wood and